Hi and so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all another what's in my bag video. This time, I'll be showing you all what I've been carrying around in my Coach Nolita 19. This is in the color Powder Pink. It is such a beautiful shade of pink, you all. This was such a beautiful collection that Coach Outlet released, and if you did not watch my video where I showed you all an unboxing of all of the pieces that I picked up from this collection, I will have the video linked down below for you in my description box. But before we get started, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Also, do not forget to turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Please also like and comment, and let's get right into today's video. Here is the tag for you all's reference. This is the Nolita 19 Signature Canvas, once again in the color Powder Pink. Okay, you all, so I do have some things going on outside of this bag. This is definitely one of my favorite bags to carry out with me when I'm running errands or if it's like a girls' night out. This bag is definitely the bag that I'll grab to keep all of my little small girly essentials in. However, when it comes to my cell phone and like my key fob, this is usually on my wrist and it's usually in my hand. So we're going to start with those items. This right here is the cell phone case that I'm carrying around. As you can see, we have the CC on here, and it's made just like a Chanel bag, which I absolutely adore. This is inspired. I bought this from like a local shop, and it also came with a chain. However, I did take the chain off because I didn't want to have the chain just dangling around. And I just usually carry it like this every time I have this phone case. It's absolutely adorable, you all. And that makes it even better is that we do have like a little small pocket, which I'm guessing I can definitely put like some cards or something here, but I do not do that. But that's pretty cool. So that is my cell phone case, and I think that it does match this pink very, very well. Next up is my wristlet from Victoria's Secret. As you can see, we have Victoria's Secret name all throughout this wristlet, and we have those different shades of pink that also matches our theme very well. And I have my little pink key fob cover on my key fob, which I absolutely adore as well. It's so cute. I usually opt for this key fob cover. I have other colors, but this is my favorite shade of pink, so we have this. Now, before we get into specifically what I am carrying around in my bag, I did dress her up with a few items. And I also want to give you guys a little quick overview, a quick close-up of what this beautiful bag looks like. It is just such a beautiful, beautiful shade of pink and a beautiful bag. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the gold hardware on this bag with the pink, which is beautiful. So I did pair her up with some gold hardware items, such as this little lip gloss with the pom-pom that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I have the little pink pom-pom, and as you can see, we have the gold hardware on here as well. I also took and attached this little bag strap extender, and it has the little C's, which matches the Coach C's. Absolutely adore that. It gives this bag definitely a nice little design, and also it does help to have the strap extended for my shoulder. Super cute. And then I also took and attached on here with the gold hardware. We have this cute little bow pocket back holder from Bath & Body Works. This also had all of us going crazy, all the girlies, with the little Coach Powder Pink collection. And then when they came out with this at Bath & Body Works, I definitely had to run out and hunt this down at my Bath & Body Works. So yes, inside I have my hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works, and I have this in the Sweetest Song, and this is such a beautiful, beautiful scent, you all. So if you haven't ran out and got your hands on this, definitely do. It's one of their newer fragrances at Bath & Body Works. So that's what I have going on the outside of the bag. Once again, the gold hardware for the C's to match the gold hardware on the bag, you all. And now we are ready to get into what I've been carrying around inside of this beauty. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of my bag is my hand lotion. This is in Strawberry Pound Cake from Bath & Body Works, and absolutely beautiful packaging on here. It's so girly. And this is also a beautiful scent. Next up, I have my Victoria's Secret Tease Sugar Fleur. This is a beautiful scent as well. One of my favorites from Victoria's Secret, and this is actually a spray and not a roller ball. And I absolutely love the sprays over the roller balls. So yeah, this is what I have as my fragrance. I also have the matching card case to this bag, and this is the wallet with the chain, which is one of my faves from Coach. And then I just took and attached a little purse charm on here, and this is the pink cherries, and I think that is so, so cute hanging from here. It just gives the wallet a little cute design. And in my wallet, in the front, I have some cards right here. I have another card in here. In the middle, I do have a bill, and you can hear that I have some change in here as well. And when you turn this card case around, you have a place to put your ID. So this is usually where my driver's license is stored, but I do not have it here for the purpose of this video. But a very, very spacious card holder. Very, very spacious to go ahead and just fold up some bills and put it in here. And it does hold a lot of cards and change, which is great. So yes, that is the matching wallet to this bag. That's absolutely adorable. Next, I have my little compact mirror that I picked up from, it was either Amazon or Shein. But I think this is such a little cute mirror with that shade of pink. When you open this mirror up, you all, it does turn on. So I'm going to try to do this in a way to where it doesn't blind you. So you turn this on in the back. You just click that over. And there it is lighting up, as you can see. Yeah. So it's like a little vanity mirror that you can travel with, which I absolutely love these. This was definitely inexpensive compared to like the Impressions Vanity ones. So yeah, I will have this linked down below for you once I find out where I got it from. It will be in the description box for you. Next, I have my Hello Kitty tissues, and she is super cute and adorable on here. I am also pulling a little pink comb that I got from the Dollar Tree. This was part of like a wedding emergency kit, and I just went ahead and pulled it out of there. And I am just gonna carry this around with me this way and even inside of the little emergency kit. In this case, the emergency kit does not fit inside of the bag, so I just pulled this on out. I also have with me my Bosca Blotting Sheets, and this is in Cherry Blossom. So I absolutely have to have something to blot my oily skin, especially when it's hot out. spring, summertime, but I have oily skin in general, so I love to have something to blot my skin with, and these do the trick every time to help get rid of the shininess. And I absolutely love the packaging with the cherry blossoms on here as well. I have some makeup in here. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you all is my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. This is the little travel size one that I got from Ulta. And then I also have something to touch up my liquid eyeliner with. This is from the brand Glossier, and absolutely love it. It has that perfect little felt tip for the perfect eyeliner. So I usually like to wing my eyeliner, and this definitely helps with that type of tip that it has. So I have this as well. And I also have a lippy. This is from Too Faced. This is in the color Nothing Compares. It's in the shade 05. Beautiful shade. And this is what it looks like. It has a little heart. And I just think that this is such beautiful packaging as well. It's shaped like a heart. I also have my Too Faced mascara in the travel size as well. So I love me some Too Faced. And last but not least, I have a little feminine sanitary napkin in here. And I just keep that in the pocket of the bag up here. And I also have stored in here like the little tag that tells us the information on this bag. But yes, you all, this is what we are looking like in the inside. All of that fits inside of here, and I absolutely enjoy carrying around this bag just for that fact that it looks like it can't hold that much, but it really can hold a lot, you all. So now I'll be right back with a quick layout of everything that I've been carrying around inside of this bag. Okay, you all, so here is everything that I've been carrying around in my bag, all laid out for you all. I would like to thank you all so much for watching today's video. And once again, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. Also, do not forget to turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me. Please like and comment. Did you pick up any items from this beautiful powder pink Coach outlet collection that they dropped? I'd definitely like to know. And I'll see you all back here again in my next video.